So I wanted to show you guys a way I can or you can have fun and work on your fitness if you get a little sled. This is a rogue sled, or maybe an again faster sled, but you know, just your drag sled. And I'm gonna put this stove on it and drag it back and load it up in my truck to cash it in. So load it up. Let me get this toaster strudel out of here. Put this over here for later.
On the ground. When I pulled it, the sled moved, but not the.
All right, semi-success. Now we just got to put it in the truck. All right, guys, it wouldn't be a trash cleanup video without a progress check. So we got our stove here loaded up, threw all my stove accessories, burner covers and all, and the exhaust inside. So we'll lock this guy up. Got our springs, our struts and springs from the other day, the ramp and the wheel, the rim. Now we're just gonna load this last thing up, and then we're gonna say we're full and we'll cash it in next chance we get. And I'll throw my cans and other junk in the truck as well. Okay, so now we're all loaded up, and that was the hard way. The easy way is just drive the truck and load the stuff up there. The hard way is use the sled to get a little workout in, and all the neighbors hate me here, so you got to deal with that too. But anyway, we'll cash these in along with the cans and then the struts and the wheel here, and we'll report back, guys. Stay tuned.